A journey where age is just a number and wrinkles are a thing of the past. Today we are diving into the realm of skincare sorcery, unveiling DIY secrets that will leave you glowing with youthful vibrance. Say goodbye to expensive treatments and hello to the kitchen remedies that will revolutionize your routine. Get ready to unlock the fountain of youth as we explore how to smooth away wrinkles with our arsenal of natural wonders. So guys, sit tight, let's embark on this radiant adventure together. Alright, so to start mixing the ingredients, first get a clean bowl and add 2 tablespoons of raw organic honey. Next is 1 spoon of extra virgin olive oil and 1.5 spoon of baking soda. Stir the mixture well until you achieve a very smooth and uniform consistency. Hey sweets, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below that says subscribe before you go, and also don't forget to join our supportive community at Tina's Hair and Beauty, and always stay tuned for more exciting content, and let's embark on this journey together. Subscribe now and never miss out on any of the latest updates. This anti-wrinkle facial mask can offer several benefits for reducing the appearance of wrinkles. The baking soda in it acts as a gentle exfoliant, helping to remove dead skin cells and promote cell turnover, which can result in smoother, more youthful looking skin by reducing the buildup of dull, dry skin that can accentuate wrinkles, while honey helps protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals can contribute to the formation of wrinkles by breaking down collagen and elastin. That's 2 proteins that keep the skin firm and elastic. So our effective anti-wrinkle facial mask is super ready for application. So let's go ahead and apply it. So for the application, start by washing or cleaning your face with a gentle cleanser to remove any dirt, oil or makeup residue. Pat your face dry with a clean towel. Using clean fingers or a brush, apply the mixture to your face, focusing on areas with wrinkles or fine lines. Avoid the delicate eye area. Once the mask is applied, use your fingertips to gently massage it into your skin using circular motions, as you can see me doing in this video. This will help exfoliate the skin and ensure that the ingredients penetrate deeply. Allow the mask to sit on your face for about 10 to 15 minutes to allow the ingredients to work their magic. You may experience a slight tingling sensation, which is normal. So after 10 to 15 minutes, rinse off the mask with lukewarm water. Follow up with your favorite moisturizer to lock in hydration and keep your skin soft and supple. So for best results, always incorporate these masks into your skincare routine 1 to 2 times per week. Consistency, they say, is key to seeing improvements in the appearance of wrinkles over time. Hey love, if you are enjoying the content, why not give it a thumbs up? Share to your loved ones and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below that says subscribe to stay updated with future videos, and also it will help YouTube algorithm to push you to more people. God bless you. So guys, that brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more exciting content like this. See you in my next video. Bye.